Hey, what's going on, family? Today I took a train ride from Newark, New Jersey to Jersey City, New Jersey to go meet my friend comedian Asia Bennett for some seafood and ice cream. Enjoy. There she is, y'all. Superstar, comedian, extraordinaire, Miss Asia Bennett. Let's give it up for Asia Bennett.
Woo, let's go. I'm so excited.
How you gonna go right there by the trash? I'm like, why she by the trash? What's up, family? This your man, Matt DV. We are in Jersey City at Beclaws. Word is born. Check it out. I ordered a lobster and I ordered some corn. It's on the way. In the meantime, they have a special today on these, I want to say clams so bad, on these oysters, man. They're $1 an oyster, Tuesdays through Thursdays, so we're going to definitely check them out. They say they get them in fresh every day. Y'all know I love sushi. Y'all know I love raw clams. Y'all know I love raw oysters. Word is born. What's this? What's the sheer? This horseradish, isn't it? Put a little horseradish in there. They're gonna have to give me some more lemons. I'm gonna put a little of this sauce. Let me just, if they're really good, I'm not gonna wanna stop eating. I'm just gonna wanna eat all of them. Woo, I just dripped some juice on my leg. That was good. Here we go. Got a bit of shell on there. When they shucked it, they didn't come back on that second shuck. You know? All right. Oysters on a scale of 1 to 10. I'm gonna give them, they taste really fresh. I was gonna say a 7 because they're all really small. I like medium oysters, like this size or maybe bigger. These are this is really small. You know, this kind of reminds me of a cherry stone clam. But I'll give them a 7.2 for the oysters, y'all. See you in a second when the lobster comes out. Peace. Here it is, y'all. Got the lobster. Oh my goodness. How's it look? You about to put your bib on? Go ahead, put your bib on. I want to see this. Do you have a bib? Oh yeah, she got her bib, y'all. She brought her bib with her. All right, yeah, man. Here we go, y'all. We're still in Jersey City at Beclaws. I'm here with hold up. With Asia. Asia got her food over there. Word is born. What you get?
I got the people's combo.
She got the people's combo.
Which is some smoked crab legs with some
They smell good.
potatoes.
Ooh, shrimp potatoes. That's like a low boil down in Savannah.
It's a little something. It's a little mini something just to get some flavor.
That looks good, y'all. The light is dim here. Just Beclaws sauce. And I got the lobster and corn over here. This is what it is, y'all. Word is born. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Here we go. First thing I'm gonna try is the corn. Right off, the corn is spicy, but it needs some type of salt on it. Even if the butter was salty, I don't even taste salty butter. So I don't know if the so let's go for the lobster, man. This is, oh, you know, you got the gloves on. I got gloves too, y'all. Once I get the gloves on, I can't handle the camera at all. So let's do it. Remember these gloves, y'all? These were baking gloves when I was a kid. My mother used to always have them, but I don't ever remember using any gloves. Look, when I was little, didn't nobody use plastic gloves when they prepared your food and stuff. You know, everything was safe back then. You could lick your fingers and cut meat and everything, you know. Something's wrong here. Something wrong here. Let me flip that around. Ooh, that sounds kind of wild. All right, let me flip it around. All right, I'm back. For my pescatarian friends, we're here at Beclaws. For my vegan friends, y'all just bear with me, okay? I'll be back one day. We're gonna check out some vegan spots. I'm ready to go in, y'all. I'm ready to go in. Look at that right there. Woo. Look at all that garlic on there. I'm gonna eat this up. I'm gonna eat the garlic, and then I'm gonna go have a long conversation with somebody. Right? There is a nutcracker over there. But I'm gonna do like this, right? I'm gonna break it like this in half that way first. You was about to get, look.
To the point.
And then I'm gonna just pull that whole piece of meat out there. Y'all know I've been doing this before, right? We're just gonna grab that meat out of there. See that? Now let's see how this tastes. Because if this is not, let me just taste it, not talk. Okay, that's better. And I know some of y'all gonna be like, you don't need salt, but it could be a little more spicy. That's not bad though, it's not bad. The lobster's not bad. What'd you think?
A little bit more seasoning.
Yeah. She said needs more seasoning. That's what we needed, y'all. We need some Old Bay seasoning. That is the season, not just salt, you know, but it's Old Bay, you know. You got some in your bag?
Not my bag. 2 minutes from my house. I can get it.
We 2 minutes from your house? Word is born. We've been trying to find out where Asia lived the longest, y'all. She said 2 minutes, so we gonna do a 2 minute radius and just walk around here one day. Just walk around and around and around. You know they be out here waiting, right? Nah, she don't live 2 minutes, y'all. She live in Georgia. Come on with the Old Bay. I'm gonna have to stop the video. So look, guys, just came out with some Old Bay seasoning. I ordered salt too. I have the salt, but I didn't put the salt on it because Asia had realized it's not salt. It's missing like some Old Bay, like seafood seasoning. So I'm just gonna put that a little bit. All right, now I'm gonna come back with it. You got it? Now let's see. Okay, so far, here's the verdict with Beclaws in Jersey City. I think that everything tastes fresh, right? The oysters were a 7. They were good. They were tasty. You know, I put a little spicy stuff, but even without that, I could tell that the oyster had that good sea flavor in it. But now I put a little Old Bay here on the lobster. See, I got the Old Bay seasoning right there. That's what it needed. You know, it's just the seasoning. I'm a brother. I mean, not a brother. I'm a brother from Newark, New Jersey. I need my food seasoned. Amen. Let the church say amen. For them old deacons that's still down south and they do it like that. Amen. Let the church say amen. Amen. Okay, that's enough of that. Because even the garlic butter sauce, it make you think they don't use real butter because the butter is salty. You know, salted butter. So I'm doing the dance though now. See, I'm rocking left and right and doing this, you know? That's what we needed. Old Bay. Asia said, they're gonna come after you. Asia said that the corn is usually sweet. Right, good corn, it tastes sweet without any seasoning or anything. So it would make you think that it was frozen corn, you know? like out the bag from ShopRite type of frozen corn. Oh, y'all might not be in Jersey. You may not have ShopRite. Kroger frozen corn, Myers, Stop and Shop. What's that? What's that grocery store down in North Carolina?
Piggly Wiggly.
Higgly Wiggly, Winn-Dixie. All right, y'all. That's it for me. One thing, after you leave here, you won't need your chapstick because my lips are greased up for the next 4 weeks. got that garlic butter sauce. Balm, lip balm. What kind of lip balm do you use? Garlic butter sauce. Hold up, let's see what my homegirl over here doing.
It's a mess over here.
Oh, you put it on there now. I'm sorry. She put it on.
I put it on. I didn't even want to taste it without it, just to even like be funny. It's decent. Right. I don't like using those utensils and stuff either. I just dab it on, get a little extra seasoning like that. Just brush it over and that.
Ooh, that look good.
Much better.
I know, and you got the crab. I wish I got the crab now instead of the lobster. But I'm gonna take the rest of that lobster home with that old bag. No, I'm good. I'm good. All I need to do is just hear you give the review.
It's really, I just break it like I said, and you just slide the force like that. And sometimes you dig deep into the sauce like that and kind of, because you want it to be, juicy, so you want to, and then,
That's right, she just taught us something. She getting a dance. She got a dance going.
It's really good, man. You gotta go way deep down, but it is very buttery, like you said.
It gets a little salty down there too?
I might pass out tonight. This might be one of my last posters.
So family, there you have it. We are here at Beclaws in Jersey City. I hate giving people a bad review, but it just wasn't seasoned. It's not terrible, the food is not, it was fresh. The oysters were deliciously fresh. The lobster, it all tastes fresh. It just wasn't seasoned enough for me. So we got some Old Bay season. They bought it out and we put it on there and it's delicious. So what I'm gonna do is take the rest of my food home, and heat it up tomorrow. Y'all know I got a small stomach. Wait a minute, we're gonna get ice cream next? Is the ice cream near here? Oh yeah, well look, we're going to get some ice cream. We're gonna combine this video. So it ain't goodbye yet. Maybe, if y'all don't see any ice cream in the next few seconds, peace. What is it?
Toricos.
Where we going? Toricos?
Toricos ice cream.
We still in Jersey City, y'all. We just left Beclaws. We're going to Toricos. Ice cream. I can't remember the last time I've had some ice cream. For real. Ice cream. Homemade? Uh-oh. There it is, y'all. Got people inside there.
We eating ice cream, yo. It's wintertime. That must be some real good ice cream. If it's wintertime. You said it's light, it's nice, it's warm? Oh wow, you got pound cake, chocolate mocha cake. Oh my goodness. I hope they got milk.
I'm gonna do the praline. I'm gonna do just one scoop.
In a cup?
Yeah. Wait a minute. I'm gonna do a cone. Give me the sugar cone.
You going with the cone.
That's a shame, right?
No, go for it.
Uh-oh. This one's a praline. That's a praline coming up, y'all, right there. Word is born. Check it out. Asia getting the sample. Asia got the sample of the praline and cream.
Too sweet? Or maybe like...
Too sweet? It was good. Now it's really a hard choice, right? You getting it?
Busy in my mouth.
That's fair. That's
It's
fair.
too busy in her mouth. She's she's one of those ice cream connoisseurs.
We have
You know what? I haven't had ice cream in over 3 years, y'all. What's funny is wintertime. It's wintertime. We're here in Jersey City, New Jersey. I'm here with the comedian Asia Bennett. She brought us here, y'all. And she had good suggestions, y'all. Look, the ice cream's delicious. You gotta check this place out. Y'all notice I'm humming and I'm doing a little dance at the same time. Thank you very much. All right. So we're in Jersey City, y'all, eating ice cream. And I would just hate to lick this once and then tip over on the floor because y'all would see me. Did you just drop some ice cream?
luckily it landed right back in my bowl.
It landed back in the bowl? I would hate to have to get down on the floor and pick my scoop of ice cream up. Y'all know I would.
I would die for it before you hit for it.
Look, I'm all for the 2-second rule. Get it before it soak in too much of that ground dirt, that floor dirt, and just blow it off a little bit.
After COVID, you shouldn't be worried about anything really. Let it go.
COVID. Y'all, I'm about to sign off. This is really delicious. Ice cream in the wintertime. What's the name of this joint? Toricos, Jersey City. What street we on? All right, I'll put it up here. Don't forget, y'all, like, subscribe. If y'all want to see more videos like this. This your man Matt DV and Asia. We're out. Peace.